Diyan na. So, nag-gradual lang. Tapos si Papa naman na yung maunahan lang. Jessica, alin dalawang tubig mo? Dalawang tubig. Ay, na overall na sa kanila. Tapos dalawa. Hard hat at goggles dito. Hard hat at goggles dito. Ano? Hard hat, goggles ko. Ano sa inyo? Gloves, tapos respirator. Gloves are involved na nag-CR lang po siya.
Dalaki pa tayo. Ay, di mo bukas na mga dati.
Tatawag ka, senior. Sasabihin mo lang. Ang intay mo lang. Start na. Intay ko. Right mo na.
Hindi talaga pagkain.
Nahihulog ako. Si Sir Guy? May Sir Guy. Sir Guy.
Wow. May isaw ka pa. Alam mo na yun.
Morning, sir. Sige, Sir Guy. Dunbi. Forward ko po. Sir Brad. Ay, wala pa sir.
Hindi po. Hindi po. Senior high ba ito?
Grade 7.
Art and Drink? Selfie lang ba? Sir, CP? CP po.
Yes. Right.
Leia po. Ma'am Milot. Pwede na?
Ay lang po. Ay lang po.
Okay na po, ma'am. Ma'am, wala po kaming kasama po from dito. Ang pwede po si Sir. CP po kasi siya.
Ay, silang na lang po.
Sige po, pwede po.
Okay na po.
Isa yung size natin.
One size fits.
Okay na po. Before we begin, we are requesting everyone to please stand up and let us pray. Can you please lead the prayer, Ms. Phoebe?
Ay po.
Let us pray. Let's bow our heads and close our eyes. Lord, thank you again for this new day. First of all, we apologize for all the mistakes we committed. And may this day guide us in our way. Please accompany and take care of the guests and may we finish their work peacefully at this day. Take care of us throughout this day until your return. Ask in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Good morning, class! Good morning, ma'am! How's your day? Kamusta kayo? Okay lang. So before you take your seat, kindly take up a paper under your table and arrange your chair properly. Thank you very much. So let us check your attendance. Group 1, who is absent? Group 2. Group 3. topic we discussed last meeting? Yes, Miss Alexa?
This hazard
Very good. Our topic last meeting is all about list of hazard on construction site. So give me one example of hazard on construction site. Yes, Miracle. Noise, very good. Work on height. Anyone? Another. Miracle. Crystal. Electricity. I'm glad that you still remember our previous lesson. But before anything else, who wants to play a game? Ayaw nyo ng game? Stop. So I will group you into 4 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. So meron ako dito na 4 na brown envelope. So naglalaman siya ng jumbled pictures and you are going to arrange it properly. So this is the Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. So, wait lang, huwag niyo muna bubuksan. Pag sinabi yung go, bubuksan niyo pala. Ang unang makatapos na group ay meron siyang plus point sa ating next activity. Naintindihan? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! This is the day. Day. Sino walang day?
Ay, ano may pagkain?
Go, class. May tapos na ba?
Kayo po ay
Yung isang group ay matatapos na. How about the other
Ito yung mga
group?
wala.
How about the other group? Matatapos na ang group 3.
mukha mo bang maaga ako?
Okay, natapos na kayo. Patuloy na sa akin. How about the group 1? Captain. Group 4. How about the group 4? Kaya pa ba?
Sabihin, ma'am, alam niyo, andito na tayo. Pwede na siyang hindi pumunta.
Uy!
Wala mo nang gagawin. Facebook pa rin ko.
Okay. So, nag-groupings tayo. Tapos meron tayo binuong ng mga iba't ibang pictures. So, sa group 2. Ano ang masasabi mo sa inyong nabuong picture? What have you observed? Yes, very good. Yung lalaki nag-grind siya habang nakasuot ng PPE or ng personal protective equipment. How about group? Umakyat sa hagdan. Na may suot siya PPE. How about the group 1?
Ma'am, nandito sa power gamit po na siya.
Iligtas siya ng
Nandito po siya ng safety shoes.
Iligtas siya ng safety shoes kasi may tatapakan siya. Ako. How about the group 4? Yes, very good. Meron siya. So, may ginagawa siyang bagay habang nakasuot siya ng safety goggles. Okay, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you very much. Okay, to be safe in the area, what carpenters do so that they can be safe in their area? Ano ang dapat gawin ng isang karpintero or ng isang manggagawa para siya ay maging safe sa kanyang ginagawa? Yes, Clinton.
Ang kailangan po nila magsuot ng proper clothing po para po sa carpenter.
Good job. Kailangan niya magsuot ng personal protective equipment para sa kanyang mga ginagawa. So based on our activity, what do you think our topic for today? Based on our activity, what do you think? Ano nga ba ang ating topic ngayon? Anyone? Raisa? Yes, very good. Our topic for today is all about personal protective equipment. Saan po yung mga Okay, since our topic for today is all about personal protective equipment, what do you mean by personal protective equipment? Any idea? Ano nga ba ang personal protective equipment? Saan siya? Para saan? Yes, Clinton.
Para po mag-safe po yung mga carpentero sa tuloy sa carpenter.
Yes, very good. Para maging safe siya sa mga ginagawa niya. Can you please read the definition of personal protective equipment? Who wants to read? Yani.
A clothing and equipment that is used for workers in order to to provide protection against hazard.
Okay, very good. Thank you. This is a clothing and equipment that is used for workers in order to provide protection against hazard. So when we say personal protective equipment, ito yung mga clothing or mga bagay na sinusuot ng isang karpintero para siya ay maging safe sa kanyang gawain. So I have here a magic box and it contains different personal protective equipment. But before that, I would like to meet you our visitor. This is Manong Troy. He is Manong Troy and he is with us today. So class, behave, okay? So, what do you think is the work of Manong Troy? Ano sa tingin nyo ang trabaho ni Manong Troy? Yes, Phoebe?
He is a carpenter.
He is a carpenter. Very good. Since he is a carpenter, to be safe in their work, or para maging safe siya sa kanyang gawain, kailangan niya na magsuot ng iba't ibang personal protective equipment. So first we have what do you call this picture? Overall, yes, very good. Can you please paste the name of overall on the board? Sino gusto maglagay ng overall sa board? Ariel. Thank you very much. Ngayon naman, sino naman nakapagsabi o makakapagbigay sa akin kung ano ang overall at kumuha din dito sa magic box? Sino ang gusto? Gadi. Yes, very good. Thank you. So this is the example of very much. This is the example of coverall. So what do you think is the use of coverall? Ano sa tingin nyo ang gamit ng coverall? Saan siya ginagamit? Saan siya sinusuot? Yes, Alexa?
To protect our body while we are in work.
Very good. To protect our body while we are working area. So can you please read the definition of coverall? Raisa?
Thick, flexible clothes provide body protection of the workers against burns, cuts, and other injuries.
So, ang overall po ay ginagamit siya sa ating katawan para maprotektahan ang ating body sa mga cuts, burns, heat, and others injuries. Naintindihan po ba? Okay, next. Manong Troy need to protect his head. What do you think? Which of the following personal protective equipment will he use? What do you call this picture? Hard hat. Hard hat. So, sino ang nakapag-face ng hard hat sa board? John Ray. Thank you. So ngayon naman, sino makakuha ng hard hat sa magic box? Sino ang gustong kumuha ng hard hat sa magic box? Angelica. Yes, very good. Okay, what do you think is the uses of hard hat?
Protect our health.
Yes, very good. To protect our head. Can you please read the definition of hard hat, Rhea?
This is a type of helmet used in the workplace to protect the head or injuries.
itaas. So alam niyo ba yung hard hat ay nagre-reduce din siya ng electric shock. Yes. When we say electric shock, kapag meron tayong mga electricity hazard, nakaka-reduce siya kapag ginamit natin yung hazard. So pinoprotektahan din niya ang ating ulo sa mga ulan. Kasi hindi naman maiiwasan sa ating construction or working area na umaambon. So kailangan natin gamitin ang hard hat. Okay, let's proceed to another personal protective equipment. Manong Troy need to protect his eyes. What do you think, which of the following personal protective equipment will he use? Clinton.
Ang goggles.
Goggles, very good. Sino naman makakapagbigay sa akin kung ano ang goggles? Kukuhanin sa magic box. Yani. Yes? So what do you think is the uses of goggles?
To protect our eye from dirt and dust.
To protect our eyes from dirt and dust. Thank you very much. Can you please paste the name of goggles on the board? Cristel. Thank you very much. Can you please read the meaning of goggles? Another hand. Arel.
It's an eye protection which covers the top front side of the eye area. It also protects eyes from flying objects or particles.
Okay, thank you. This is the example of goggles. So, pinoprotektahan niya ang ating mga mata sa mga splash. When we say splash, yung mga talanse. Pinoprotektahan din ng ating mga mata sa mga alikabok, sa mga dumi, na nararanasan natin kapag tayo ay nasa working area. So, hindi rin natin maiiwasan sa ating pagtatrabaho ang umambon. So, ginagamit din natin ang goggles para maprotektahan ang ating mga mata. Naintindihan po ba?
Yes.
Okay, next. Manong Troy need to protect his mouth and nose. Which of the following personal protective equipment will he use? Alexa?
Respirator.
Respirator, very good. Can you please get the respirator in the magic box? What do you think is the use of respirator?
Protect our nose and mouth from chemicals.
To protect our nose and mouth from chemicals. Okay, very good. So this is the uses of respirator. Ayan. Okay, can you please paste the name of respirator on the board? Who wants to paste? Angelica. Okay, thank you very much. So can you please read the definition of respirator kapag tayo ay nagpipintura, kasi di ba yung amoy ng pintura ay matapang. So kailangan natin gamitin ang respirator para mas makahinga tayo ng maayos. Naintindihan? Okay. Manong Troy need to protect his ears. Ears. Si Manong Troy, kailangan niya protektahan ang kanyang tenga. Which of the following personal protective equipment will he use? Daddy. Earplug. Can you please get the earplug on the bottom box? Okay, what do you think is the use of earplug?
The loud noise in to protect the ears from loud noise.
Okay, thank you. Very good. It is also used to protect our ears from loud noise. Can you please paste the name of earplugs on the board? Eliza. Can you please paste the name? Go. Come on. Okay, thank you. So this is the example of earplugs. Ginagamit natin siya para maprotektahan ang ating tenga sa mga maiingay kapag tayo ay nasa working area. Halimbawa, magbigay ng halimbawa kung ano ang maiingay sa ating working area kapag tayo ay nag-grinding. Another. So ginagamit natin to para ma-lessen yung noise, para hindi siya nakakabingaw. Diba? Kapag tayo ay nag-grind, sobrang ingay. Kapag tayo ay nagwe-welding. So ginagamit natin ang earplugs to lessen the noise in construction site. So dito siya nilalagay. Okay. Manong Troy need to protect his hands. Which of the following personal protective equipment will he use? Ano ba ang gagamitin ni Manong Troy kapag gusto niya protektahan ang kanyang kamay? Yes, Angelica. Glove. Very good. Gloves. Can you please get the gloves in the magic box? Sino ang gusto kumuha? Karel. Yes, very good. Can you please paste the name of gloves on the board? Okay. Who wants to paste the name of Bradley? Okay, thank you. Sino naman ang makakapagsuot kay Manong Troy ng gloves? Sino ang gusto? Yani. Okay, thank you very mainit na bagay gamit ang gloves without experiencing burns. Naintindihan? Ginagamit natin ang gloves para hindi tayo mapasok. Mahahawakan natin ng isang bagay gamit ang gloves nang hindi napapasok. Naintindihan po ba? Okay, very good. Next, let's moving on to another personal protective equipment. Manong Troy need to protect his feet. Which of the following personal protective equipment will he use? Ano sa iba't ibang personal protective equipment kailangan gamitin ni Manong Troy? How about the others? Raisa. Safety shoes. Very good. Sino naman makapagsuot kay Manong Troy ng safety shoes? John Ray. Okay, once again, ano ang gamit ng safety shoes? Ano ang gamit ng safety shoes? Any idea? Yes, Dante. Again. To protect our feet while working in construction site. Very good. Ginagamit natin ang safety shoes kapag merong mga bagay na nahulog sa ating paa. So, sa pamamagitan ng safety shoes, maiiwasan din natin yung pagkadulas, slips and fall. Yung pagkadulas at pagkahulog sa mga matataas na building. So, ginagamit natin ng safety shoes kapag tayo ay yung kapag meron nahulog na bagay sa ating paa. Especially kapag meron tayo, kapag gumagawa tayo, kapag umakit tayo sa hagdan. Importante yung safety shoes para hindi tayo mahulog, para hindi tayo madulas. Naintindihan po ba? Okay. Any question? Any question? None? Are you sure? Yes. If no question, I will ask a question. So, bakit ba natin kailangan? Why we need to wear a personal protective equipment? Bakit ba natin kailangan magsuot ng personal protective equipment? Yes, Clinton.
Yung sa carpet before, hindi ko natin may iwasan yung mga aksidente. So, kailangan po natin maging handa para po in case po may gagawin ang aksidente po is hindi po gawin sila yung gamit or kung mas papa natin po, hindi po tayo.
Very good. Okay, let's give them ang galing-galing clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing-galing. Okay, very good. Thank you, Clinton. So, ready na ba kayo sa ating activity? Question, wala na? If there's any question, if there's no question, let's have an activity. It is what we call Wear Me. Okay, it's your turn. It's your turn. game or activity, rather, is meron kayo piniling dalawang personal protective equipment, tama? So, kailangan meron dalawang representative na magsusuot ng personal protective equipment at isang representative mo na magpapaliwanag kung ano ang importance ng personal protective equipment ng inyong pinili. I will give you 3 minutes to collaborate with your members para pag-usapan kung ano ang importance ng personal protective equipment na inyong napili. Yes, isusuot nyo ang personal protective equipment. Pusap-pusap kayo. Wow! Yes? Okay na ba na pag-usapan na kung ano ang represent? Kung ano ang sasabihin ng leader? Okay na kayo? We go back to the group 1, okay na? How about the group 2? Okay na? How about the group 4? Okay na? Okay, let's start. Isahan natin sa ano gusto yung group? Ang 4. Group 1. Okay, group 1. Can you and explain what is the importance of personal protective equipment that Go!
So, good morning everyone. This is Group 1 representing. So, let's start off with the hard hat. So, ito po hard hat is para po ma-protection po ang ating ulo para po sa mga unexpected falling objects. Kagaya po ng mga bricks or even po mga kahoy or kahit pa po mga dangerous objects. So, sunod naman po is yung goggles. Ito, kagaya po na sinabi kanina, nagpo-protect po siya ng dust and dirt na pwede pong makadami sa ating mata and even worse po, mga worse ay mag-cause po siya ng aksidente. Hindi lang po ang tingin po.
Okay, let's give them a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Okay, who next? Next group, group 2. Yes, okay, present your work.
Gloves are used to protect our hands from strays, cuts, and burns. And another one is these are earplugs, and it is used to protect our ears from loud noises. For example, banging noises and welding noises. And that is all. Thank you.
Okay, let's give them an amazing clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Okay, next group. Group 3. Who is the leader? Easy.
Good morning, everyone. This is Group 3 presentation. Overall, to protect our body while we are in burning area.
Okay, very good. Let's give them ang galing-galing clap. 3, 1, 2, 3. Ang galing-galing. Okay, the last group is group 4. Ano ang inyong natutunan? Raisa?
I have learned different personal protective equipment.
Okay, very good. You have learned different personal protective equipment. Can you please give me one personal protective equipment? Ellie. Magbigay ka ng isang personal protective equipment in carpentry. Ano? Ang tawag mo dyan? Hard hat. Anyone? What else? Janela. Earplugs, very good. Another one? Jahana. Gloves, another one. Miracle. Overall? Anyone? John Ray. Earplugs, what else? Parel. Goggles. Meron pa ba? Yummy. Respirator, ano pa? Safety shoes, ano pa? Wala na? Meron pa. Coverall. So what is the importance? Ano ba ang kahalagahan ng personal protective equipment in carpentry? Bakit ba ito mahalaga, Parel?
Para po maprotektahan po natin yung sarili po natin.
Okay, very good. Let's give them a very good clap. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, para maprotektahan ang ating sarili sa mga iba't ibang injuries. Another one? Anyone? What else? What is the importance of personal protective equipment? No one? Alexa?
To minimize the risk and hazard
Risk and hazard
in our working place, for example, injury.
Okay, very good. Let's give them ang galing-galing clap. Let's give her. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ang galing-galing. Okay, another answer. Wala na? Okay, ready na ba kayo mag-quiz? Opo. Ready na? Opo. Okay, this is your quiz. Okay, thank you. Okay na? Keep all your things. Get your pen. And I will give you a paper. Kulang pa? Ha? Sobra. Yes? Write your name and section. done? How about the others? Hindi pa? Okay, class, are you done? All done? How about the others? Gabby, Jeffrey, how about pens up? Okay, exchange paper. Write corrected by. Nakapag-exchange na po? Okay, what is the answer for number 1? What is number 1? Can you please read? John Ray? What's the answer? Letter I. Number 2, letter E. Number 3, letter A. Number 4. Who wants to answer? Number 4. Yanni.
Use protect the hands of foreigners from cuts. Letter D.
Letter D. Number 5, letter C. Number 6, letter G. Number 7, letter B. Number 8, letter F. Number 9, letter J. And last number, letter H. Okay? Write the score of your classmate. Who got the perfect score? Who got the perfect score? Wow, very good. Okay, pass your paper forward. Pass your paper forward. Meron ba kung hindi naka-perfect? Ilang? 9. It's okay. Pass your paper forward. Okay, get your TLE notebook and copy your assignment. Copy your assignment. Yes. Are you done? Nakopya na po ba? How about the others? Hindi pa. Okay, wait for the others.
Just one visual. Kumita natin sa visual okay, BTS. Ipakita mo si BTS, then so picture ang kanya. Picture ang kita, kailinin mo. Kailinin mo. One, two,
Okay, tapos na? Okay, goodbye class. Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperation. You may take your seat now.
wala ko pa ng proposal. Kung wala ilan dito, pwede na ko mamaya. Ano na dito? Kung wala lang ako, ayan. Lalo na ito, congratulations. Then, yung judgment na. Graduate.
Nag-aral po ako sa NST.
Anong course?
IT.
Natatandaan mo? Anong batch mo?
11 pa ako. Pero hindi ko graduate. Kasi nag-ipat ako ng ibang school.
Baka hindi kasi ka sa IT. Ano, sino ang mga classmates mo na nabay?
Val. Ang kabatch ko, ang kabatch ko sa IT, sila Arden Salinas.
Parang
Sila Jane.
pero ang mga nag-teacher na ng social science, Ellen Pagdalunan, Sir Eric Anlaucho, Sir hindi ko maalala.
Isang sem na kasi ako dun.
Okay. Ayan, gusto ko nang bilhin ako ng paano. Kasi ako naman yan lang ako.
Baka dun sa ano, sa Nagsangal.
Sa boss actually. Hindi na sa pag-iwanan sa
Pangasawa ko sa
kasi kasi teacher din po gumawa ng visual aid ka ng other parang kung pa sila sila school.
Balik bilas ko. Si Belen. Magkapalit tayo sa masarap. Madalas ko kami din, baka din tayo nagpiligaw.
Leia, sinabi ko na. Iiwan niya lang ito. Pa-picture na lang ako sa as your agency. So, Jose. So, working to utilize all the areas from the technology to the power side to the color to the targeting na so the diversification na technology prevention. Suggestion ko lang doon para naman sa mga PowerPoint.
Aming power.
Oo nga, pwede naman integrate sa PowerPoint. Yung people also make their activities. Tanong ko lang, bakit isang graded ba? Graded ba?
Yes.
Okay, so pag ganun yung grade, meron graded. Then, provide also for before you implement post-modernity. Congratulations also for receiving the participation. Suggestion there for your mentees. Also, try to utilize pangalan mo lang. Kasi hindi sa pinapagalan mo. Pero all throughout, because PLE, I guess, is also supposed to be taught in so, congratulations also kasi loud dito ng good voice mo. Teacher reality. And there was a clear presentation of the lesson. And that, congratulations also po sir. Kasi po, ito po yung naging sa akin.
Hindi ako nakapag-grade. Si Ma'am na lang. Ma'am, ano na yung grade niya?
So, congratulations sir. Thank you for the monitor. Alam mo yung pablo ako. Yan, ayun po yung office. Yan.
Mabait si Ma'am. Hintayin mo yung grade ko.
Level ko, maiyak ka.
Ma'am, kayo po. Huli na po ako, papagaling po ako.
Thank you po. Okay po. Yung sasabi na ni Ma'am lahat, ang sa akin, punta ko lang din po mapakita. Hindi po nagamit ko. Sana yung ibang tapos po, lagi po sa akin po yung comment na yan. Kapag ka magbibigay ng images or quiz, magbibigay ka ng time na natin. Meron kang magbibigay ng oras na
Ako na muna. Nag-aanuhan kami ni Sir kasi familiar kami sa isa't isa. Ano ba? Paano ba? Wala akong grade sa iyo eh. Patay. Anak, yung nabigay naman ng ibang sa kanya. Yung dalawang pamilya mo. May good point saka suggestions nila. Dito kasi important na ito, anak, ay may 3 parts. Rating, good points, and suggestions. Yung suggestions na yun ay pwede ko naman i-take it seriously but do not take it negatively kasi wala namang perfect talaga. Kahit kami, na-observahan kami, kahit kami hindi perfect. So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, yung mga marinig mong suggestions, hindi yun hindi namin sinabi yun, kasi dito para down, maramdaman mo na ito ay, alam mo parang dito na security, huwag ganun mag-intin. Tapos, sir, hanggang first week of May sila, technically May 4 po, kasi 5 ay CA nyo. So, hindi po ibig sabihin na
May 5.
May 5, CA nyo.
Ay,
So,
oo.
hanggang May 4 lang yun ito. Hindi sir, ibig sabihin, pag din mo na siya ngayon, ay dali na siya kumasok bukas, pagdaman ka mahalan sa pagkita mo na mo, hanggang sa May 4, hindi po yun. Pwede pa po niya, pwede po sa, magpatuloy po niya yung kanyang buhay dito, and then, ipapin lang niya yung mga suggestions na bibigay natin. Dami ko sinabi, no? So, good points, yung daily routines na execute naman yung systematically. And then, nakalagay dito, speak clearly, audibly. Kasi para sa akin po yung pinaka-best na dapat meron yung characteristic dapat yun ng teacher. Kasi kapag mahina ang boses mo, huwag kang mag-guro. Lumipat ka ng ibang profession. Kasi marami kang kausap. Malaki ang yung classroom. Dapat narinig na apakasulog yung classroom ng yung boses. So, ikaw naman ay audibly. Maganda rin. Kailangan ng no? Dapat yung kalit na babae, lakas ng boses. And then, yung visual aids mo, nakalagay sa good voice, yung sa akin. However, napag-usapan natin yun, colorful naman. Okay naman. Kaya lang, ang kasi, yung mga pinagpaturan mo ba, inastisan mo ng visual aids ba, na yan ay tatanggal yan ng isang taon or maipapamana mo kasi pinagdiban mo ng plastic. Yung mga ganun ba? Yung dapat pwede pang magamit sa susunod na linggo. Yung mga recyclable mo. Kasi parang pera, effort, pinagkuyasan mo nila. So, hindi mo nila. Tapos, yung PowerPoint presentation mo, parang hindi na utilize yung child. Nandun ka na sa discussion, nandun sila basta tapos prefix me. Pero ang tagal pa niya kasi dapat nahihiga din yan kasi yung focus ng bata na pagka madami mga nakasabi sa kung ano lang yung dapat mong gamitin doon sa oras na yun lang dapat yung makasikip, yun lang dapat yung kasi yung focus ng bata doon sa hindi pa ako nakinig doon. Doon sa mga diniscuss mo anak ng mga ano ba tawag doon? Year ba yun? Kasi ito ay grade 7.